Alright, so this is Travel with LA, back with another video. So I am now currently in, guess where? Dominican Republic. So I'm going to take you on a tour, of course, of the room, so please stay tuned. So in this room, we have, it is called the Junior Suite Allure Swim Up. So now I'm gonna take you to my favorite part of the room and then I'm gonna bring you back. All right, so here's the first part. Our room has a jacuzzi on the terrace. I don't know if y'all can see, just, yes. So a jacuzzi on the terrace. We have our own little private sitting area. And we have a swim up pool with our room. First of all, can we just like take a look? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm like too excited, of course, to get in there. So now let's take you back to the room. So in the room, first of all, let's everybody say hi to my best friend. Sister, yes girl, yes. So we have the junior double suite room. So it comes with like these two really cute double beds. The beds are like pretty soft, pretty plushy. So that is like not a question at all as far as like comfort goes. The room when we came in was extremely clean. So that was something, of course, that was like a huge plus. We have this like really awesome full-length mirror in there, and of course y'all see me, and yeah, I have hair this time. We got this like awesome LG TV. The room service is 100% free, which is amazing. We have bathrobes. Yes, y'all know how I love me a bathrobe. We have bathrobes, bath slippers, we have pillows, extra blankets, we have a safe. We have all like the essential things to just make this even more completed. We have a free mini fridge. Y'all heard me, a free mini fridge. They give us complimentary bottles of water. And yes, please do not mind those prices right there because that is not included on the mini fridge. Then I'm gonna take y'all into the bathroom. Look at how cute this bathroom is. It's dimly lit, right? And I get that. But can we just admire this shower for a quick second? Can we just take some time? Let me step back and let y'all really get a nice view of that. Look at that. Look at these double sinks. Like, it is superb. And then we have like this cute little area for a bathroom. Plus, we have a bidet. So, y'all already know what it is. So, in regards to the price, now let's get to those details. In regards to the price, for this room, for this actual entire trip, me and my best friend paid around $1,200, about $1,200. The room had, well, it's all inclusive. First of all, hold on, let me just get that readjusted so y'all can see me in some light. The room was $1,200 in total. It's all inclusive. It's an all-inclusive resort. So we ended up also getting the, what's his face? Help me. The flights included. We also had excursions included in that. So I mean, it is an awesome price so far. Everybody has been super nice, super sweet. Also too, it could just be because they want to get our money. But either way, I appreciate it. I appreciate that level of hospitality. But you already know, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to shoot me an email. Feel free to leave a comment at the end of the video. And please, at the end of the video, like it, give me a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button. So I'm gonna go enjoy this vacay, and I will check y'all out later. Peace.